In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a document from Google Docs using your computer. Whether you're using a PC or a Mac, I've got you covered with simple instructions to save your document in various formats, ensuring that you can use it exactly how you need. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, navigate to Google Docs. You can do this by typing Google Docs into your search engine or directly entering the URL, which typically is docs.google.com. Now you'll see all the documents you've created or have access to right on your screen. Next, find and open the specific document you'd like to download. Simply scroll through your list or use the search function at the top to quickly locate what you're looking for. Once your document is open, you'll see an array of options at the top of the page, including File. Hover over or click on File. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several different options, all neatly arranged for your convenience. Within this drop-down menu, look for the download option. Clicking on this will unveil different formats you can choose from, depending on how you plan to use your document once it's downloaded. For those who need an editable version that works well with Microsoft Word, select the Microsoft Word .docx format. This option is perfect if you want to continue making edits in Word or share it with colleagues or friends who use this program. Alternatively, if you need to preserve the layout and can't have any alterations, the PDF document.pdf option is your best bet. It's especially useful for sending the document as it ensures that the formatting remains exactly as it appears in Google Docs. If you're interested in a no-frills version with just the text and no formatting, choose the plain text DOCX option. This is great for use in simple text editors or when formatting is not a concern. Those working on websites might prefer the web page .html format. This choice will convert your document into a format that can be directly added to a site. And finally, for those wanting to read their document on an e-reader, selecting EPUB EPUB will cater to that need perfectly. Once you've selected your preferred format, your document will automatically download to your Downloads folder. If you're looking to save it directly to a flash drive, a quick tip is to first save the document on your computer, then simply copy it to your USB drive. With these instructions, downloading your Google Docs documents in a variety of formats should be a breeze. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.